Let me show you how to submit, how to link, or how to bind your wallet address on Spur Protocol app for your Spur tokens withdrawal. I mean, the wallet that your tokens will be sent to, right? So we're on Spur Protocol, and if you're not already mining, I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comment so you can jump on it, register, and start mining. So while on the home page, you can click on check eligibility here. When this page comes on, you scroll down to where you find this criteria, then you toggle over by clicking on the withdraw button here. Then you have these options of wallets that you can link, right? The one that's currently open is BNB wallet. Binance exchange coming soon. Bybit, Bitget, Kucoin, Gate.io, Lbank, HTX. So these are exchanges where this token is expected to launch, be listed and trading, right? But since that has not started yet, it's coming soon that you see here. But of course, you can link BNB wallet. So you simply click on link wallet here. So you are getting a BNB wallet, right? Those wallets that start with 0x, those BP20 network wallets that are usually from decentralized exchanges, right? So your airdrop will be sent to this address. Please ensure it's yours. We won't be able to assist if it isn't. Wallets from OKX, TrustWallet, Metamask are good examples of the kinds of wallets you should submit here. So I'm on OKX now, and you can simply just come click on BNB. So this is BNB BP20, right? So the wallets normally start with 0x and something like this. So you can copy this address. This one is good. So you bring it over. So you tap on the paste button here. So airdrop withdrawal wallet address updated, right? By simply tapping on the paste, it will automatically be added, right? If you want to confirm if it's still there or not, you can still go back to criteria, click on withdraw, and you find that your address is there. This button will now change from what it initially was to change wallet. It means you already have one, and any other action that you need to do right now is to change it to another one. But I don't want to do that. But if you would want to change, of course, you have the option to do that, right? So there you have it, guys. That's how to add or submit or bind your withdrawal address on Spur Protocol. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.